Yeah, nice little music.
We've got 32,400 miles on this bus. Yeah, we're taking a little break now. Good morning. We're coming to you from Dearborn, Michigan. And today we're visiting the Henry Ford Museum of Innovation and Greenfield Village with a whole replica 1860s community during the times of Thomas Edison and Henry Ford. Well, fortunately, there's a map, as there are many different areas to explore.
We learned that many of the artifacts, like this covered bridge and the houses, were the actual structures that Henry Ford had purchased, had disassembled, and relocated to the village.
We've probably been here
Almost
hour and a half.
Hour and a
There
half.
is a lot of ground to cover here. But we saw some interesting replicas of Thomas Edison's Menlo Park laboratory. And there are 7 different neighborhoods here. One highlighting the Model T, which are driving all throughout the village. Farm life, craft work, railroads, Main Street, Edison at work, and porches and parlors. You could spend a whole day here, and it's very educational. In many of the buildings, there are docents in the buildings to answer any questions, tell stories of days gone by. Where it all began. And horseradish, not ketchup, was the first item that they invented. This is the home of Robert Frost.
2 roads diverged in a yellow wood.
Although we are assigning it to 5, this building is still under. It was originally constructed in 1825 as a general store.
exhibit focused upon 4 key transformative moments in the American quest for freedom: the Revolutionary Era, the anti-slavery movement and Civil War era, the women's suffrage movement, and the Civil Rights movement. It's hard to believe that the women's suffragette movement lasted over 70 years until 1920, when the 19th Amendment finally gave women full voting rights.
This is Teddy Roosevelt's. This is FDR's.
Most likely. Oh, look, so he could stand up. He had that shield. Oh, there's a Lincoln. Wow, this is the Kennedy car?
Yeah, this is the car.
This is the car. Wow.
Well worth the trip to the Henry Ford and Greenfield Village. Coming up next, we travel across Michigan to meet up with our RV friends for some pickleball pizza and beer. We'll also give you an advanced sneak peek of our upcoming Northwest adventures.
Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it.